You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making potatoes and the carrot sauce for our babies and our toddlers. Carrots gives the body very essential nutrients like dietary fibers, which helps our babies to cook very well. It also contains carotenoids, which when it enters the body, it transforms to vitamin A, which supports healthy vision. And potatoes, on the other hand, provide our babies with so much energy and also contains essential nutrients like folate, iron, vitamin B6, zinc, vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, choline, which is very important for brain development. In fact, there are so many more. So without wasting much of our time, let us begin. So here is my potato. I'll be using sweet potatoes. You can equally use Irish potatoes. I have here my carrots. I'm going to be blending them so that our babies they will get the whole nutrients. Sometimes they don't chew, they don't know how to chew carrots. We are stressing them, so we are going to blend it. I'll be adding pepper because of the egg. Sometimes babies don't like pepper. So I'll begin by peeling and slicing these potatoes. So guys, I just illustrated how we can incorporate carrots into our baby's meal. So this recipe is not just for babies alone, no, even adults. Like, I'm already enjoying it. It's sweet, like it's delicious, it's good for everybody. So if you are making it basically for babies, please mash the potatoes very well. So please like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and turn on the notification for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.